Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be fixing this headliner in this car. Well, I've actually already fixed it. This is just the intro video for it. So I didn't get it good before. So let's get into it and fix it now. The headliner to this guy right here is coming off. So I need to take this window out, and so I can take this out to get the headliner off. So I believe I have to take this rubber little wind protector here off so I can reach these Torx bolts there, and there, and then same over here. You just pull this out like that. Then I can get this window off. This is the hardest one to get, but it's the last one. There we go. Aha, we're free. All right, so we can come up from the top. Just pick this up. There we go. All right, so we take this kind of brace between these two pieces out. I think the next thing we need to do is unscrew these little, there's 3 of these, that's one. All right, 3 on each side, so that's 6 altogether. Already taken the other out. I think we should be able to pick this up and just slide it. Slide it out or bend it out. You know what? Why don't we just slide everything back and take it out from inside? That'll work. Now we can work on this. Let's see if we can peel this off. Oh man. Yeah. Yeah, that's just all deteriorated. We just got to clean all that up somehow.
Thousand years later.
Okay, look what just came in. I think I've cleaned this up just about as good as I can get it. All right, I'm reading the instructions on how to apply this. It says apply 2 to 3 coats, and between each coat, allow it to rest for 5 minutes. Let's just give it a go. Oh my goodness. This is some weird stuff. All right, I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit, and then I'm gonna come back and do another coat. All right, it's been about 5 minutes. Let's do another coat here. I think that's gonna be good enough. I'm gonna let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then we'll put the pieces together. Looks kind of like a spider web. I put it on pretty heavy, at least I feel like I did. Hopefully that'll hold. Whoa, man, okay, that's gonna be sticky once it, this is gonna be challenging. Sheesh, you cannot let this touch. Duct tape touching itself, and it's oh my goodness, that's not good. It sticks together. You got to be real careful. I was working on the camera to get the camera view for you guys, and then this kind of folded over on itself right here. So I'm gonna fix this right here. Look at this. This is gonna be a problem. Now I'm gonna lose my 5-minute window. Oh, son of a gun. This is killing me, man. Killing me. No. Oh, disaster. Stretch it out. Here we go. Okay. Yeah, you get one chance to do this, and then that's about it. One chance to do this. I think the moral of the story is do not put this on both sides. Only put it on the one non-fabric side, so you don't accidentally roll it over on itself and get stuck with two sides sticking together where it's basically impossible to separate. This stuff is strong, and if you wait too long, like 6 or 7 minutes, then it's just going to get too tacky and you're not going to be able to do anything with it. I think I've almost got this one little piece right here I need to work on, and I might be able to reapply this just on this edge. This is not OxyClean, it's degreaser mixed with water. See if I can clean this up just a bit. OxyClean probably worked well on this. All right, let's reinstall this. Let's get these in. Oh, almost lost that one. Let me show you what happened here at close up. This kind of folded over, so I just had to stretch it out. I think it'll be just fine. Let's go ahead and put this piece on. I hate working with tiny little screws. I think this is gonna stay. Okay. Got it. All right, one more. Got it. All right, let's try this out before we put the glass on. Okay, I think we got everything put back on. Let's see if this works. Open. All right. Well, there you have it, folks. Not the most beautiful job in the world, but got her done. If this were more of a beater truck or something, I'd probably just take the whole thing off and paint it. There's some paint you can use to paint these headliners, and then you never have to do those again or worry about it sagging. But I don't know how paint would look in this car. I don't really look up at the headliner anyway. I guess it's only if it's sagging and hitting your head when you're in the car that it bothers me. Appreciate you watching, and we'll see you on the next one.